Hi, I just wanted to share something small with you today. When we go to buy honey for our home, there are so many brands available, right? But there's a strong reason why I personally prefer wild pure honey. First of all, wild pure honey is pure and natural. It doesn't have any added sugar, preservatives, or mixing. In the market, there are many others selling honey, but most of them go through a heating process, which can destroy the natural nutrients. Wild pure honey comes directly from villages, from local beekeepers, and it reaches us fresh. Its texture, taste, and aroma are all natural. Personally, I prefer it for health reasons and to boost immunity. So, I need honey that's completely free from adulteration. If you compare regular market honey, either looks too watery or is unnaturally thick. But white pure honey maintains its original natural consistency. So, if you're looking for a real and pure honey, definitely give wild pure honey a try. Once you try it, you'll feel the difference immediately. For your health and for your family, choose the best and purest honey, wild pure.